Hey there and welcome to my channel. Today we're diving into some seriously comforting, soul-warming recipes. We're talking about 5 cozy cold weather meals guaranteed to chase away those winter chills. Now let's turn up the heat and get cooking. First up, we're tackling a vegetarian classic with a twist sweet potato chili. Start with a tablespoon of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add 1 diced onion and cook until softened, about 5 minutes. Toss in 2 cloves of minced garlic, 1 diced red bell pepper, and 1 diced green bell pepper. Cook for another 5 minutes. Add 2 pounds of diced sweet potatoes, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and a pinch of cayenne pepper. Pour in 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, 1 15-ounce can of black beans rinsed and drained, and 2 cups of vegetable broth. Bring to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for 20 minutes. Season with salt and pepper to taste, and serve with a dollop of sour cream or fresh cilantro. Is there anything more comforting than a slow-cooked meal? This slow-cooker pork with noodles is the definition of comfort food. Season a 2-pound boneless pork loin with salt, pepper, and your favorite herbs. Sear in a hot pan with a tablespoon of olive oil until browned. Transfer to your slow cooker with 2 cups of low-sodium chicken broth, 1 diced onion, 3 minced garlic cloves, and a bay leaf. Set on low for 6 to 8 hours, or until the pork is fall-apart tender. Shred the pork using 2 forks, return to the slow cooker, stir in a package of cooked egg noodles, and let it simmer for a few more minutes. Serve with a side of steamed vegetables for a complete meal. Get ready for some serious indulgence with these Italian bread bowls. Crusty bread bowls filled with a creamy, cheesy, Italian-inspired filling. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Slice the top quarter off a round loaf of sourdough bread and scoop out the inside. Brush the inside and lid with olive oil and bake for 10 minutes. In a large skillet, cook 1 pound of Italian sausage until browned. Remove and set aside. In the same skillet, sauté 1 diced onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic until softened. Add 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon of dried basil, and a pinch of red pepper flakes. Simmer for 10 minutes. Stir in the cooked sausage, 1 cup of heavy cream, and half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Pour into the bread bowl, top with shredded mozzarella cheese, and bake for 15 to 20 minutes. Serve immediately with the bread bowl lid for dipping. Prepare for the ultimate comfort food mashup, skillet chili. Mac and cheese. Cook 1 pound of ground beef in a large skillet over medium heat until browned. Drain excess grease. Stir in 1 diced onion and cook until softened, about 5 minutes. Add 2 cloves of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and a pinch of cayenne pepper. Cook for 1 minute. Pour in 1 15-ounce can of diced tomatoes, 1 15-ounce can of kidney beans, rinsed and drained, and 1 cup of beef broth. Simmer for 10 minutes. Cook 1 pound of elbow macaroni according to package directions. Drain and add to the chili mixture. Stir in 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese and half a cup of milk until the cheese is melted and the sauce is creamy. Serve with a dollop of sour cream and chopped green onions. Craving comfort food but short on time? This chicken mug pie is here to save the day. Spray your favorite mug with cooking spray. Combine 1/4 cup cooked chicken, 1/4 cup mixed vegetables, 1 tablespoon cream of chicken soup, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Pour into the mug. In another bowl, combine 1/4 cup Bisquick baking mix and 2 tablespoons of milk. Stir until a thick batter forms. Spoon the batter over the chicken mixture in the mug. Microwave on high for 1 to 2 minutes or until the topping is cooked through and golden brown. Let it cool for a minute before removing from the microwave. Garnish with chopped parsley and enjoy. We've just gone through 5 brilliant recipes guaranteed to warm you up from the inside out. These dishes are packed with flavor, hearty, and satisfying without keeping you in the kitchen all day. So, put on your apron, get those ingredients prepped, and let's get cooking.